Hello and welcome to this short podcast from Curiosity Research. In it we're going to demonstrate one of the advanced analytical techniques we commonly use in our research, conjoint analysis. In Conjoint we present online survey respondents with a series of different products or services and we ask them to rate the relative appeal of each. In each offering the benefit levels are flexed slightly so that we can understand the impact of making changes to the composition of the product. When a significant volume of respondents have completed the survey, we conduct our analysis and produce a demand simulation model. This is an easy-to-use Excel-based model that allows clients to build the optimum products and predict the consequences of this for the business in terms of key metrics such as take-up rates, profitability, etc. All in all, a very powerful tool when it comes to product design. We hope you enjoy the demo. Okay, so we're going to take a look at how a demand simulation tool works in practice. Here's a financial services example in the area of payment acceptance. So in this example, towards the top of the screen in blue you can see a number of attributes or product features that we have incorporated into our simulation tool. And you'll see that here we have a total of 6 attributes that we want to test in combination and at different levels. We build our draft product by clicking into the individual cells and selecting different levels for an individual attribute to be tested at. Here we're actually going to keep most of the attributes constant and we're just going to vary a couple of them: monthly rental charge and free monthly turnover limit. It's also worth mentioning at this stage that the model works in such a way that we can not only predict demand for attribute levels that were tested in the quant, but we can also simulate demand at other levels that weren't formally tested in the exercise. Here we're actually building a set of 3 products and we'll give them all names. We'll call the first one Product A and the second one Product B, and we want to compare these against the forecast demand for a competitor product. So we're going to call that one Competitor C. We then click next to these product names to actually select them into our demand forecast simulation. To start with then, we're actually going to include all 3 of these products in our simulation. And when we do this, the model will tell us what the forecast level of demand is at an overall level. Of course, we've changed the way the model works so that our clients' results aren't being shared. However, the model still generates forecast demand levels for our simulation. And you'll notice that these figures don't actually add up to 100%. So on the top line we have 15%, 20% and 11%, so that actually gives us a total of about 46%. So here we're actually saying that 54% of customers would find none of these 3 products sufficiently appealing to actually purchase. We can again select and deselect one or more of the 3 products and see what impact that has on demand for those that remain in our simulation. The model also allows us to see a forecast of demand based on key segmentations. You can see all of these documented in blue in the lower half of the model. In this example we have used turnover band and attitudinal segment, amongst others. Finally, once we're happy with the 3 products we've produced for comparison, we can save them as a simulation and give that simulation a name. We can then return to that at a later date. So, there you have it, a whistle-stop tour to our demand simulation tool. And if you've got a project that you think might lend itself to a technique of this type, then please do give us a call. Thank you.